YouTube is a beast. It's been 2 months since I decided to start this channel. Today, I want to share why. If you ever wondered what it's like to be in front of a camera or your videos being watched by people across the world, stick with me until the end and I'll share my experiences with you. Let's go. Hey everyone, and welcome to Taking It Offline. Today's video is a bit different. It's a deeper dive into the last 2 months on YouTube. Not just the highs and lows, but also the heart and soul of why we're here. Reflecting on these past 2 months, I've realized how much this channel is a mirror of my own life. Outside of YouTube, I'm in consulting, where I'm constantly advising company executives and teams to make crucial decisions on functions of their people, process, and technology. A lot of the times, I have to rely on data to make these decisions. But here, on YouTube, it's more than data. It's about the stories, the connections, and the real impact. My channel's growth with nearly 8,000 views and over 56 hours of watch time isn't just numbers. It's a narrative of our shared learning and interactions. 56 hours may not seem like a lot, but I like to be optimistic that collectively people have spent more time watching my videos than a total of 18 total football games, including commercials. But first, let's talk about these numbers. They tell a story of curiosity, engagement, and a growing family of 68 subscribers. Now, I know that's not a lot, but anyone that started their own YouTube channel knows that getting subscribers in the first 100 videos you post is extremely difficult. Now, in the last 2 months, I have posted around 20 videos. Videos like AI and NFL performed the best. So it's amazing to see how topics that blend technology with our daily lives resonate with viewers. But what truly inspires me is seeing viewers from so many different countries around the world. It's a reminder of how technology connects us just like sports. I've always felt that sports has a unique power to unite people. As an example, Nelson Mandela and the 1995 Rugby World Cup. How he used the sport to bring a divided South Africa together.
I want to thank you for what you have done for our country.
That's the power of sports, a unifier, much like technology in our modern world. Ever since Facebook and YouTube were founded, we've come closer together, even though we're thousands of miles apart sometimes. I often think about my first tech project, and I remember putting a computer together from parts found in a thrift store. I was just 12 years old, and there was no YouTube guides or tutorials. In fact, YouTube wasn't even discovered yet. It was just my burning curiosity and a computer I dismantled to understand its soul. That raw, unguided exploration shaped my approach to technology. It's not about being an expert from the start. It's about the journey of discovery and the joy of problem solving. But there is an elephant in the room that I've been meaning to address ever since I put my first video and I went live with it. Fear. Yes, I've felt it. I'm feeling it right now. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about why we're scared. Stepping in front of a camera, sharing your thoughts with the world, it's daunting. Growing up in an immigrant family, I've battled the "what will people think," or as our boy Hassan Manaj says, "log kya kahenge" syndrome.
Hassan, I don't think we should do this. Log kya kahenge, bhai? What will people think?
But here's what I've learned. It's not about them. It's about us, here, now, trying to make a difference, trying to connect. The more we share, the more we realize that our fears are just echoes of outdated doubts. In fact, the more I have shared starting from day one of this journey, my true family and friends have been nothing but supportive. In fact, I look to all of their feedback and ideas to continue to improve. I am here at the end of the day because of all of them, and I want to continue being here because of all of you. Every video I make, every topic I cover, it's all aimed at one thing: connecting us through technology, helping us understand and use it to enhance our lives. I want this channel to be more than a source of information. I want it to be a source of inspiration and empowerment. So, as we look to the future, there's a personal milestone I want to share with you. My wife and I are expecting our first child. And let me tell you, it's been a lesson in patience like no other. I'm someone who struggles with being patient. So deciding to keep the gender of our baby a surprise was initially a tough pill to swallow. But what these past 8.5 months have taught me is profound. Patience can truly unfold the most amazing, unexpected joys of life. Now, I'm more excited than ever, celebrating the mystery and anticipation. It's a unique thrill, knowing that the only time we'll discover the gender is when we meet our baby for the first time. This journey of patience and excitement is so similar to what I'm experiencing with this YouTube channel. Just like awaiting the arrival of our baby, growing this channel has been a test of patience. There are days when the views barely tick upward. Sometimes they flatline, or there are no views at all. But just as I've learned to embrace the anticipation of our child's arrival, I've realized the value of patience here too. Growing a YouTube channel isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, where each step, no matter how small, leads to growth. So, I'm asking you, my viewers, to join me in this journey of patience and discovery. Together, we're not just building a channel, we're creating a community where every view, every comment, every share adds to our collective growth. And I have to remember, with patience and persistence, the sky is the limit. I'm learning so much every day because of the research I have to do for the videos that I post, because of the feedback I get from all of you. On that note, going forward, I'll be referencing this channel or my channel as our channel, because that's what it is. It's our channel. Your support, viewership, feedback is what fuels me to keep going and growing. So together, let's see where this takes us, both in life and our channel. The excitement of the unknown is what makes this worthwhile. Let's embrace it together. So as we move forward, I want to commit to being more transparent with all of you, sharing not just knowledge, but also my journey in real time. Monthly stats, struggles, and successes all laid out so that anyone else embarking on this path knows what to expect. Now remember, don't expect to get a lot of views, subscribers, or any real engagement until you've posted consistently for months at a time. And I'm not even close to getting real engagement yet, but I wanted to share these things with all of you so we can all buckle in together. And it honestly helps keep me in check. So let's keep exploring, keep connecting, and keep growing together. If you're gonna do this with me, let's learn and let's do some discovery. If you've ever hesitated to take the first step, remember, you're not alone. Let's do this together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share your thoughts and stories in the comments below, because that's what we're here for. That's what we're here to do. We're here to take it offline. And on that note, as always, I'm taking it offline. This is Parth signing off. Until next time.